I'm here with my Dash Mini Griddle and some frozen chicken nuggets. Let's see if we could cook these chicken nuggets in the Dash Mini Griddle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Last month, I got a big bag of frozen chicken nuggets from Aldi. It was on clearance for $1.49, and they've been in my freezer. And today I thought I would see if I could cook some in my Dash Mini Griddle. So I have 3 of the frozen chicken nuggets, and aren't they cute? They are shaped like hearts. And I have my Dash Mini Griddle heating up. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then I'm ready to start cooking these chicken nuggets. The blue light is off, so let's open this up and let's put our chicken nuggets in here. It fits 3, and let's close this. And I'm gonna come back in about 5 minutes and we'll check on them. It's been 5 minutes and I don't think these are done yet. Let's open this up. Yeah, they still have more cooking to go, so I'm gonna shut this and let's cook this another 5 minutes. So it'll be 10 minutes in total. It's been another 5 minutes or so. Right now I'm hearing a lot of sizzling going on, so let's open this up. That's how they look. They smell really good. Let's test the temperature. So we're at an internal temperature of about 180. So these are definitely done. I'm gonna unplug the griddle. Here are the chicken nuggets, and I just made some honey mustard to go along with them. So let's give one a try and see how they came out. They're not crispy at all. The breading, like the outer coating, is kind of tough, if that makes any sense. It's weird. Yeah, the breading is kind of thick and gritty, if that makes any sense. Like if you've ever chewed rice that wasn't totally cooked, that's what the breading on these chicken nuggets remind me of. But they are cooked, and the Dash Mini Griddle got the job done. And if the only cooking appliance I had was a Dash Mini Griddle, then yes, I would be able to cook frozen chicken nuggets in a Dash Mini Griddle. Is it the best way to cook frozen chicken nuggets? Probably not. I'm hoping that there's another method that will give them maybe a better texture, like more crispiness. But in general, if I was hungry and I had frozen chicken nuggets and the only thing I had to cook them with was a Dash Mini Griddle, yeah, I could cook them. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we could cook in Dash Mini Griddle. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.